welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather. And today we are unboxing days 21 and 22. That's crazy. I know I say that all the time, but I can't believe how fast this month is going. We will get right on into it. And if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. We'll go ahead and get into day 21, 22.
Yeah.
I'll let you go first.
Okay. So I'm already excited about day 21 because it has, if I can get it out, it has a Hogwarts letter on the outside. So that's exciting. I mean, all of us who grew up with Harry Potter, we all wanted our Hogwarts letter. Yeah. And so, I mean, we all know that they just got lost and they're somewhere. So I always get excited when I see a Hogwarts letter. Okay, so there's something shiny and blue, which makes me think chocolate frogs. And I love chocolate frogs, anything to do with chocolate frogs. But it may not be something chocolate frog because it actually looks like a wing. And it says happy, so I'm kind of thinking it has nothing to do with the chocolate frog. It feels like a balloon, like a happy birthday balloon, to be honest.
Really?
It does, and it says happy. And it's Hedwig.
It is a balloon.
It is a balloon. It's an actual balloon.
That's hilarious.
Okay, and it says happy holidays on it. And it's Hedwig with a broom. She's carrying a broom. It does look like a Nimbus 2000 broom. And just as a side note, Nimbus 2000 is my favorite broom. I know a lot of people like the Firebolt. Nimbus 2000 is the best, I think. But, you know, that's just me. But let us know in the comments below if you have a preference on the, the broomsticks, if you like Nimbus 2000 or Firebolt. Or if there's another one that you like. I mean, clean sweeps I've heard are really good too. The Weasleys like those. So,
I was not expecting a balloon.
I was not expecting a balloon either. I mean, it is a full balloon.
It's cute though.
It is so cute. And I love Hedwig there. She looks so cute carrying that broom across the moon and the little stars that are there. And it's just so cute. I love that. We're going to have to take it somewhere to get it filled. Because that is so cute and we have nothing to fill a balloon with. So we will have to take it somewhere so we can get this filled for Christmas. It will look so cute. That was a really unique one. I really like that. I love it when you get surprises on something that you don't think about.
Well, here's some instructions. It says to insert a straw into the slot of the balloon and inflate the balloon by blowing through the straw.
Oh, well, hey, okay, we can do it that way then.
Okay. And this is remove the straw and pinch the tab to seal the air in. Balloon can burst if there's too much pressure inside. Do not inflate them too much.
Okay.
So that's good. Then we don't have to go.
Yeah, then we can just do that ourselves. Exactly. So cool. Alrighty. Well, that was a really fun, interesting one. I would never have expected that.
I was not expecting a balloon. That is unique. Here's day 22, and it's got a wand on there. I think that's Harry's wand.
It does look like that, yeah. Oh, there's a moon on the back.
Oh, yeah. I
love all the little art that they have on these boxes. It's so pretty.
Oh, is that a ink pen? Yeah, it's a ink pen. And it's got it looks like a globe with Hogwarts in it.
Oh, wow.
That's cute.
That is so cool. That looks like a pen. It's really fancy. It looks like one that you'd see on the desk of a great writer. That's what it reminds me of.
Yeah, that's really cute.
That would be a really pretty one to display on your desk upstairs.
That really would be, yeah.
That is a gorgeous pen. I love that. It is very lightweight.
And again, very useful.
But it is very useful, yeah. It's not super heavy. I love that. That's so pretty.
At first I thought it was a globe, but now that I look at it, I wonder if it's like supposed to be a crystal ball with Hogwarts inside. I don't know.
Yeah. Cool. That is so cool. So that is another useful thing. I love all these useful ones. That's so cool. Bring a little magic to each day.
Well, another good one. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you for the last days 23 and 24.
Bye.